Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Good day, good day, good day. My name is Howard Martell, and we are going to be talking about a very, very important topic. I'm known as the home profit coach here in Virginia Beach, Virginia, where I've been an affiliate marketer of some type or direct selling for over 30 plus years. I've been with a company currently almost 17 years. Another company I've been for 3 years, but they both work together as in the ecosystem. So we're going to talk about the architecture of conversion your 2025 landing page blueprint for home-based business. If you're sending traffic to any page in 2025, a link in a bio, a funnel, or your affiliate offer, this live is for you. I'm going to walk through a simple landing page blueprint called the architecture conversion, the 2025 landing page blueprint. So your pages don't look good. They actually convert visitors into leads and buyers. Here's our big idea: landing page versus pretty website. First, the quick mindset shift. A website lets people wander. A landing page is a sales engine, one page, one main action. Our goal is to use psychology and visual hierarchy to answer three questions your visitors has in the 5 seconds. Where am I? What's in it for me? And what to do next. Now let's go into our slide so you can follow along. The traditional website allows exploration and landing page to compel the offer, right? We've been talking about the 5 second rule, and you can see in front of the screen here the golden rule of congruency. You can read that for yourself. You're going to have 80 to 90% mobile traffic, so you got to gear your offer towards that. And your page text, your text actually reads in the 20% rule. Users are scanners, not readers. So let's go on to the next one. And time the hook before they bounce, right? They have only 5 seconds to look at your offer. Here's our model. You as the architect recommends a special link to the company. The company will be handles the product or delivery to support, and the customer clicks and buys. Then it reverses. The company will pay you a commission to you, the architect. Your audience, attention, people who listen, they believe they know you, and the offer is a solution or product that relieves some type of pain. Now, as we go into my notes, we're going to talk about the psychology framework, PAS plus the story. Modern landing pages are written for the emotional brain first. Two simple frameworks: PAS, problem, agitate, solve. Problem, mirror their pain. Tired of sending traffic that never converts? Agitate. What happens if nothing changes? You keep paying for clicks that never become leads or sales. Solve. Present your offer as a vehicle. This 2025 landing page blueprint shows you exactly how to fix that. PAS helps you to pick a niche and write copy that feels specific, not generic. Your story band: light, hero, and guide. Your visitor equals the hero. You or your page equals the guide. You give a plan that leads to success and avoids failure. We call that providing a solution to a consumer's need. On that page, you're saying, I understand your frustration. Here's a simple three-step plan. Here's what your life looks like after. The emotional arc is what moves people to take action, not just read. Section 2, visual hierarchy and structure, what every page needs. Now let's talk visual hierarchy, how the eye moves on the page. Remember, people are scanners, not readers. Your page needs these core sections, as on this current page that you see in front of you. Above the fold, their top page, your headline, their dream outcome in the line. Turn cold clicks into customers with the 2025 landing page blueprint. Your subheadline, who's it for and how it helps. Your primary call to action: get the blueprint, start free training. You pass the 5 second rule. If they can't tell what you do in 5 seconds, they bounce. Your problem plus agitate, your middle body, short copy that names their main frustration, shows the cost of doing nothing, inertia, maybe a small us versus them box, your way versus old way, doing nothing. Solution plus simple plan. Our 3 step process: click, sign up, click, follow the blueprint, watch the training, launch or optimize your page. This reduces fear and shows it is doable. Your social proof and risk referral, testimonials, screenshots, or even your own story, guaranteed reassurance. You can test this without risk. Your final call to action recap, and your bottom, quick recap: who's it for, what they get, what to click. This catches your deep scrollers. Now, your section 3, your mobile and bridge page, your affiliate focus. 2 of 2025 must-haves. Mobile first layout. Most traffic equals mobile. Stack sections vertically. Make sure buttons are big and in a thumb zone. Do the squint test on your phone. Zoom your way out or squint Do you see clearly the headline, the main button? If not, simply bridge pages for affiliates and lead generation. When promoting affiliate offers, send people to a bridge page first, a simple landing page that uses past to welcome them. Explain why this solution matters, then send them to a product with your affiliate link. This lets you build your own brand and email list. Pre-frame the offer, increase conversions versus sending cold clicks straight to someone else's sales page, and you're close to action. All right, so let's go here to this. Let's go to the next slide. It talks about the paths, what we just were talking about, your audience's needs, you intersect with value in your niche market. Now, your problem solution, what you solve, address a clear, urgent issue with unique, effective solutions. Your ideal customer snapshot, your strategic requirements are here on the slide too. Your DTC strategy, bridge page and ecosystem, sending cold traffic directly to your product page. You have your ad source, you've got your bridge pages, right? Whether they're a news article, whether they're an ebook that you give away. Howard shows you how to do this. And then you have the buy offer, which gives them the information to subscribe to your offer if they really want to. It's prime real estate, the autonomy of the above fold. This gives you what we just were talking about above the eyebrow, your headline, your subheadline, your hero visual. You can read this. I don't need to, you're educated enough to understand this, and you can go through this at your own pace. Building trust and dismantling inertia. We talked about that too. These are some great graphics. And the psychological, we talk about paths and emotional brains, your problem, you agitate, you solve. Your story brand application, it gives you a solid plan. Your visual hierarchy and the laws of Lux. Your squint test. If you're using mobile and people have, think of your mobile phone as it's a multi-processing computer, right? That thing can allow you to bring in great information, or it can allow you to turn off your prospect or your consumer. See, when you're on Facebook, don't you realize that they've already collected your data and all your habits? And that's why you see the offers. When you go shopping at Amazon, don't you see that offer coming to Facebook too, or any social media? See, they got your information. So understand the psychology of how it works, the close, the risk reversal, and the page full stop, your value stack, your bonus one, bonus two, and then the core product. You're giving something of value away free. That's what I love, that I can create a landing page like that using AI technology, and I can have ones that have modern pages that promote my offers, and it's different than what the company provides, but it gives a different view to that consumer's problem or that solution that needs to be. The risk reversal, guaranteed 30-day money back. And your frequently asked questions, you got your final stop page. What you get is the value, and then when you click on that offer. And you got your text strategy from one pager to SAA tiers. If you're using technology and stuff, you've got this, right? It gives you examples. And your build workflow, your AI research, your copy gen, your wireframe, your build. See, what I love about what I have over the last 17 years is that they've modernized everything, and that we're using AI technology to do this all in like that. And it shows you, each video shows you step by step how to build that product or service, right? Optimization, the feedback loop. The feedback loop is crucial and stuff, because you got to understand how your user will scan the page, but also understand how their brain is working, because they're so distracted by so much stuff going on in the world that if they're not focused in on what you offer, and you only have 5 minutes, the hook, curiosity versus direct benefits, the hero, the product shop versus the lifestyle of people, and your offers, whether it's short or long form, and you test that out with A and B testing. The go live checklist. It tells you when you're going live, and you know what speed it's going to be. Make sure that you are speaking in a good tone. Like when I do my lives, I want to make it very interactive, but you're going to have people that, and then it calls your first brick call to action, immediate homework. Choose one niche, ideal customer paragraph, and then research it, and then establish a goal. What are you trying to do? So as I go further into my notes and we close out on this, so in closing, to recap, to use psychology, paths plus the story, talk to real pain and desire, use visual hierarchy, clear headline, one main call to action, mobile first, so people know what to do. Use bridge pages to turn cold traffic into warm, ready buyers. If you want more breakouts like this, or how to build simple sales engines and home business funnels, make sure to follow, drop in the question or comments, and share this with someone trying to build their first page in 2025. I wanted to thank everyone who was part of this, And I hope this is going to be benefiting each and every one of you in this complete series that we have. This has been the Home Profit Coach here in chilly, snowy Virginia Beach, Virginia. Thank you again, and I'll see each and every one of you at the top.